Welcome to Pythaverse, empowering the future of education. Discover how our co-create framework, Leanbot, and TwinSpace are revolutionizing learning for the next generation.
Traditional learning has always helped students grow, but now, it's no longer enough to keep them engaged. Students now rely on AI for assignments, but this dependence weakens their own learning and problem-solving skills.
It's time to shift our teaching approach by promoting learning by doing, to reignite curiosity and inspire students once again. Presenting Pythaverse Co-Create Learning Framework and Platform. At the heart of Pythaverse lies the Co-Create Framework, enabling collaborative, immersive learning by integrating digital twin technology, AI, IoT, robotics directly into the classroom for STEM learning by doing. Through Leanbot and TwinSpace are practical tools that turn the Co-Create framework into a reality. Meet Leanbot, a revolutionary learning toolkit that offers no upfront costs, a comprehensive STEM curriculum, and hands-on learning with real-world applications. Leanbot transforms teaching with interactive, project-based lessons, personalized learning paths, and real-time progress tracking, all while fostering collaboration. Leanbot equips students with critical thinking skills, creativity, and exposure to cutting-edge technologies like AI and robotics, preparing them for future success. Leanbot is just the beginning. Imagine expanding this concept into a fully interactive digital space. Welcome to TwinSpace.
TwinSpace stands ready 24/7. A platform where teachers and students drive AI technology with human innovation via collaborative design thinking in an immersive environment. TwinSpace transcends traditional learning, making educational technology a catalyst for innovation. Here, learning is about creating, problem-solving, and preparing for a tech-driven future. TwinSpace differentiates itself by offering an all-in-one, affordable platform that is accessible on low-spec computers, making cutting-edge digital education fun, engaging, and widely available. TwinSpace empowers educators to become architects of transformative experiences that inspire and challenge. Through advanced analytics, we tailor the learning journey, enhancing engagement and outcomes. Join the movement to reshape education with TwinSpace. We're not just preparing for the future, we're creating it. Emphasizing digital literacy, hands-on learning, and creative collaboration, we ensure students develop critical skills for future success, enhancing comprehension, creativity, and readiness for complex challenges. Pythaverse TwinSpace, empowering co-creation in education through AI and digital twins.
Why choose Pythaverse? No upfront costs for schools, making it affordable to significantly boost student engagement. A comprehensive STEM curriculum aligned with standards, empowering teachers to deliver impactful lessons. Hands-on learning with real-world applications, transforming students from learners into creators. And continuous updates with AI and digital twin technologies, making teaching and learning more immersive than ever before. Pythaverse is your gateway to a future-ready education system. With the Co-Create framework, Leanbot, and TwinSpace, we're just getting started. Every day, thousands of students from hundreds of schools around the world are learning and growing with Pythaverse.
Malaysian stream robotics with Leanbot roll out nationally. In Malaysia, Pythaverse's Leanbot's after-school program is a game changer. Over 100 schools and 150 teams have excelled in the National Robothon Challenge, thanks to the around-the-clock accessibility of Leanbot learning. Philippines SERP program integrating robotics, IoT, and Metaverse into classroom. In the Philippines, Pythaverse aligns with Industry 5.0, bringing smart agriculture and healthcare into classrooms. Partnerships with Beta and St. Paul colleges exemplify a commitment to agile, data-driven education digital transformation. Vietnam's stream learning expansion. Vietnam's largest private school chain promotes one student, one Leanbot, ensuring personalized learning. Pythaverse's minimal investment stream labs are a testament to the platform's adaptability and efficiency. Immersive's courses like Maths in Metaverse, Build a City in Metaverse, Creative Imaginative in Metaverse show students' engagement increase drastically. Across these nations, Pythaverse's benefits are clear: accessible advanced technology, enhanced learning outcomes in STEM and global competencies, a commitment to schools' digital transformation. Let's hear the feedback from students in the Philippines. 81% think that after the course, students themselves will be more confident in approaching robotics and AI.
Join the movement, shape the future of creators with Pythaverse.